Sorry guys, sorry about this interruption. I don't know what's happened. Okay, now we said here, guys, again, we said we formed this table, and now we will find the C's and the P's here. We already choose them. Okay, yeah, mister?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, how we found the C here? Tell me.
We will do P multiplied by 2.
What's P now?
0.
So we will go to the formula, which is given. Replace P by what?
0.
Yalla, what's the answer will be? Replace it.
0 multiplied by 2 equals 0.
2 multiply, Mr. Start from the first. C equal 2 multiply 0 plus a 3. How much?
3.
3. So I put here 3, guys. See? Now, the 1. What I will do? I will do the same. 2 multiply 1 plus a 3. How much?
5.
2 multiply 2 plus a 3. How much?
7.
2 multiply 3 plus a 3. How much?
9.
9. Now we have the table, guys. We fill it. Now we can make our ordered pairs. Our ordered pairs. Okay. What's the first ordered pair, ya Omar?
0, 3.
0 and 3. Not 3 and 0. The horizontal, then the vertical. Don't forget that. So it is 0 with a 3. The second one, 1 with 5.
1 and 5.
The third one, 2 and 7.
2 and 7.
The fourth one, 3 and
3
9,
and
right?
9.
Good boy.
Yes.
Now we have 4 ordered pairs, okay? What we will do now, we will graph these ordered pairs on our coordinate plane. So in your book, guys, beside the coordinate plane, you have a space. Make the table, make the coordinate plane, okay? The ordered pairs, sorry. So you'll make these 2 steps before you graph. Now let's see graph 0 and 3. How we graph 0 and 3 in the coordinate plane, which is given, Yabni?
We will go first to 0.
This is 0. Guys,
We will
this
go
is
up
0.
to 3.
We will graph 0 and 3. So I will go to the 0. Here, 0 for X and 0 for Y. So this is 0. I will go up on the same line until I get what? 3, and I put my point, right?
Yes.
The next ordered pair is 1 and 5. Sahih, Omar?
Yes.
We'll do the same, guys. From 1, we will go up until I get the 5. This is the 5. Okay? Now the third number, or the third ordered pair, this is not number, guys. This is not number. This is ordered pair. Is 2 and what? 7. So I'll go from the 2 and go up until I get the 7. Now the fourth number is a 3 and 9. I will do the same. This is a 3. I will go up until I get the 9. Okay?
Yes.
Now we have 4 points like this one.
We'll draw a straight line.
Now we need to draw, guys, a straight line, and this line should be straight and should be passing through all of the points. Okay? So I will try to make my line using my hand, but you can use a ruler for sure. Something like this. The line, guys, should be straight, should be passing through all of the points which you are already graphed them. So this is the formula. This is the table, we created it. We choose numbers, small numbers. Then substitute these numbers in the formula to find the answers. Then we make the ordered pairs. Then we graph the ordered pairs on the coordinate plane in front of you. After we graph the 4 points or the 3 points, whatever, we graph a line, draw a line, and this line should pass through all of the points and should be straight, and put an arrow like this, arrow. لا تعمل لي هيك خلاص, arrow. And from here, no arrows. It's a start from here and never end. This arrow means never end. This arrow means never end. It comes forever, okay? So this is check, page 417. Hope you understand it very well. Do it in your book. Make the table and the ordered pairs beside in your space. Now, let's move to example 2 in this lesson. Let's move to example 2 in this lesson. Example 2. Page 410. 410.
419.
419, yes. Right. We finished the check, guys. Let's move to the example now. Yanal Muhammad.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Mr. Yanal, you understand it, Yanal?
Yeah, Mr. But I have a question. How you get? I have this question. How you get the one to 0 to 3 and 1 to 5 and 2 to 7 and 3 to 9?
0 and 3. 0 connected with what?
3.
We put them together. 1 connected with 5. We put them together, right?
How we know if they are connected?
This is connected. You put the 1 here. 2 by 1, 2 plus 3, 5. So the 1 is connected with 5.
Yeah, okay.
كيف حالك أنت؟ ها؟
Because Mr. I didn't hear you when you said.
أنا بسألك الآن كيف حالك؟
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Do you understand it now?
Yeah, I understand it.
Good boy. Let's go to example 2, guys. Page 419 with Yanal. يلا read. بسرعة يا ابني.
Martino constructed the graph that shows the height of his cactus after several years of growth.
Good. Wait, يا ابني. Look here. Do you have the graph, guys? Do you have the graph there?
Yeah, we have it.
In your book, you have the graph. So the graph is what? The graph is what? Huh?
It's given.
It's given. The graph is given. It's different from this question. In this question, the graph is not given. We do it. We did it, sorry. So in this example, the graph is given. What we expect that the question asked me about, will ask me about what? The relationship.
We must find the formula.
Yeah, let's continue reading the question and let's see what it wants from us.
Assuming
Continue.
the cactus grows at a constant rate, to write an equation from the graph that could be used to find the height of the
Write what?
cactus.
Write what? Write what?
An equation.
Write an equation. So here the graph is given. We want what? The equation or the relationship or what? The formula. We can call it any name. It's okay. Now, to find the equation, we will go in the opposite, guys. We have the graph. We will go to make what? The table from where? From the graph. Now, let's go to the graph and let's prepare the table from the graph, okay? What are the two variables here?
Okay.
We can take them from the graph itself, guys. Look at the graph here. At the horizontal one, what's the variable?
G.
Huh?
G.
Yanal, talk quickly, Habibi. G, yes. So here we put at the first one, G.
Mr. G.
Good. Now, the vertical one, what's the variable? The vertical one is what?
H.
H. So here we put H.
H.
Focus, guys. So the first one, you have the graph like this. The first one, the first column for the horizontal. The second one for the vertical. Don't forget that. The independent, the dependent. Independent, the dependent. Don't forget that. Now, From where I'll get the numbers, guys? Also from the graph. Also from the graph. How many points in the graph we have? How many points we have in the line here?
3 points.
We have 3 points. We have 3 points. We will find them. What's the first point we have? What is it? This point, guys.
1 to 42.
Aywa, 1 down and 42 to the right. Not 42 and 1. We go from the x-axis first, then the y-axis. So the first point here, guys, it's 1 and what? 42. So we write it here. 1
42
and 42. Like this. Now the second point. What is the second point? Give it to me. It is what and what?
2 and 44.
Good. It is 2 and 44. Now, the third point, what we have? The third one. بسرعة يا ابني.
3 and 46.
3 and 46. Now, from where we get this table? From the graph which is given in the question. Now, we have a table and we need to write what? Equation. Now, to write
an equation.
If you remember the previous lesson, we wrote equations represents relationship represented in tables in the previous lesson, right? We use multiply, add, or two-step, remember? Now we'll do the same steps. How the one becomes 42, yes. Yeah, Mr. Yanal. How the one becomes 42?
By multiplying it by 42. But we will
multiply 1 by 42.
We must make two-step equation.
If you multiply 1 with 42, it's 42. If you multiply 2 with 42, you won't get 44. You will get 84, right? So the multiplication 82. Is wrong. So this table here, it is what? It is what? 2-ish.
Two-step equation.
Two-step equations. Now, I make a graph or a video for you how to make two-step equations, guys. Remember?
Yeah, I watched it. First, you will make 44 minus by 42 equal 2.
I tell you the secret or the trick how to find the two-step equations from the table. We subtract these two numbers, 44 minus 42. Yes. How much? How much? 2, right?
2.
Now, let's multiply.
It will become 1 multiply 2 plus 40.
Exactly. 1 multiply 2, 2. The 2, how much it needs to be 42? It needs 40. So the 1, what I will do with 40. The 1? Multiply 2 plus what? 40 to be 42, right? If you don't 40. Understand this, go back and watch the video. It's only 4 minutes, guys. It's about how to write two-step equations from a given table like this. Please watch it again. Now let's apply it for the 2. 2 multiply 2, how much?
4.
How much the 4 needs to be 44?
40.
40. So 2 multiply 2 plus 40 equals 44. The third one, 3 multiply 2, how much? 6. How much the 6 needs to be
6
46?
Plus 40, 46.
Multiply 2 needs 40 to be 46. Now, so I multiplied the G by what? By 2, then add 40 to be what? These numbers for H, sorry. So G multiply 2 plus 40 equal what? H. Now, what's the formula? How we write the formula, Ibni?
It will be 2G plus 40.
No. What's the formula? What's the formula? Hello?
2G plus 40.
No.
H equal to G plus 40.
أيوة h equal 2g plus 40. Don't forget h. h equal 2g plus 40. This is how we do example, how we did example 2, guys. We prepare the table from the points in the graph. Then we use the previous lesson to make our graph here. Now, after this example, we have check. After this example, we have check the same idea. Check on page. Now, if you see your book, guys, at the end here, at the end, what they wrote the formula, h equal 2g plus 40, which is the same of our, طبعا here the table, fill it as we did here. Fill the table the same way. And let's go to the check after this example. This one, guys, page 420, quickly, please. Najm.
Yes, mister.
يلا يا نجم. Do you understand يا ابني?
Yes.
يلا. Read the check, page 420, quickly.
Okay. The graph shows the graph shows the approximate number of the inches of rain R that is equivalent to C to S inches of snow. Write an equation
Good.
from the...
Wait يا نجم. Wait. Here, the question said the graph shows. Means the graph is what? Is given. Is what? Given. What we want to do, we will find its formula. The question, يلا.
Write an equation from the graph that could be used to find the total inches of the snow equivalent to any number of inches of the rain.
Good. So here the graph is given, guys. And what we will do, we will find formula. The formula. Now, what we need to do to find the formula, ya Najm? Tell me.
First, we will write R and S, and we will choose number.
A table, ya ibni, a table. We'll make a table, right?
A table.
What's the first variable here? We will write
R.
R. The second one here?
S.
S. Good. Now, from where we will get these numbers here?
From the graph.
From the graph. How many points in the graph we have? Look at the graph. How many points? We have 4 points. Give me the first point. What is it?
The first point is 0.
ركز يا ابني ركز. Where is the first point? See it?
Yes, it is 1.
1 with what?
1 with 10.
So it's not 0. Focus at the point. It is 1 and what?
And 10. 10.
The second point. What is the second point?
2 and 20.
2 and 20. ممتاز. Hi, 2 and 20. The third point. What is it?
3 and 30.
3 and 30. Now we are formed. We did the third. Now what we will do? We will think about the formula, ya Najm, right?
Yes.
يلا. Tell me. بسرعة.
We will multiply 1 multiply by 10 equals 10.
1 by 10, 10. 2 by 10 also. 20. 3 by 10.
30.
30. It is 1 step, not 2 step, right?
Yes.
So what's S equal? The formula. S equal what?
S equal.
أيوة.
S multiply.
لا ما هي S equal. S اللي equal. أيوة ركز حبيبي ركز. S اللي equal ها. يلا ها. مين اللي multiply by 10? 1 2 3 right?
Yes.
مين هذول ال 1 2 3 لمين؟ للS ولا للR؟
للR.
So what I will write here? What I will write here?
R. We will write
S equal what يا ابني؟
S equal R.
S equal R only like this? What we did with the R values يا ابني? What we did here?
We will multiply. We
By
multiply.
what يا حبيبي? By what? الله يسعدك. By what we
By
multiply?
10.
So
By
what
10.
I will write here? Tell me.
S equal.
أيوة.
Okay. S equal 10 multiply R.
Best 10 multiply R. How we write it? 10 R. Like this, right? Focus.
Yes.
Easy one. This is the check, guys. We are done here. This is the whole lesson, guys. You have two formulas. In your homework, the first two lessons about the first idea. The first two questions about the first idea. The second two questions about the second idea. Here you will graph. Here you will find the formula. Do your homework. Don't forget your online assignment at 2 p.m. It's only 5 questions, by the way. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, you can contact me with Sarah, or you can ask me in the next class, inshallah. Thank you so much and have a great day. Goodbye.